How to hide your Instagram followers and following list. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how easily to hide your followers and following list on your Instagram account in two methods. The first way to do it is if you want to hide your followers and following list from a specific person or user, all you guys need to do is go straight to that person's account and tap on these three dots in the top right corner and click where it says restrict. Basically, when you click on restrict, this account is now restricted from your profile, which means they will not be able to ever see your followers and following list again. Also, you guys can tap on the three dots again and also block this user if you wanted to. And if you block that person, they will not gonna be able to find you on Instagram ever again. Alright guys, the second method you can use, and the easiest one in my opinion, is you guys can click on the three lines in the top right corner again and tap on where it says settings. And here we need to click where it says privacy and make sure to enable this function where it says private account, and then click on switch to private. That basically means that nobody can see your followers and following list if you didn't accept them as your followers. So yeah guys, that is basically the two ways that you can hide your Instagram followers and following list. If you guys found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. That will be much appreciated. Thank you for watching. Take care. Until next time.